Never mix salt with honey unless you want to cure your cough overnight. Drop honey in a cup, add a pinch of salt, squeeze in 1 lemon, mix it up, take a spoon in the morning and another at night. This mix destroys dry cough, kills sore throat pain, helps with asthma, wipes out respiratory infections, and clears stuck phlegm fast. The salt pulls out inflammation from your throat and lungs. Honey coats and heals the tissue. Lemon breaks down mucus and kills bacteria. Together they work like natural medicine that actually functions. I've used this in the mountains for decades whenever someone gets sick. Within 2 days, the cough is gone completely. No pills, no chemicals, just 3 ingredients that cost almost nothing. This is ancient remedy that works better than any cough syrup. Comment cough for my complete respiratory healing protocol and follow for more natural remedies from the mountains.